They could already know we exist. They could be watching us right now. For over a century, we have been sending signals into space, announcing our presence to the universe. But what if that was a mistake? What if the reason we haven't heard from any advanced civilization is because those who reveal themselves don't survive? In the next few minutes, you'll learn why the universe is so silent despite billions of habitable planets, the terrifying possibility that we are already being watched, and the real reason some scientists fear that first contact might be the last thing humanity ever experiences. Stay with me until the end, because the answers to these questions might change the way you see the universe forever. The universe is vast beyond comprehension. In just our Milky Way galaxy, there are at least 100 billion planets, many of which could support life. If intelligent civilizations are out there, we should have detected something by now. Radio signals, alien megastructures, spacecraft sightings, anything. And yet, silence. This contradiction is known as the Fermi Paradox. If life is common, why haven't we seen any evidence of it? Some scientists believe that intelligent life is rare. Others suggest that civilizations self-destruct before they can explore the galaxy. But there is one theory that is far more disturbing. What if advanced civilizations are out there, but they are staying silent? Imagine the universe as a vast, dark forest. Every planet with intelligent life is like a hunter, silently waiting in the shadows. In this forest, making a sound means revealing your location. And once you are seen, you don't know what else is out there. Some civilizations might be peaceful, but others could be far more advanced, far more powerful, and completely indifferent to our survival. The safest strategy in this kind of universe? Stay silent, hide, never reveal yourself. If this theory is correct, then humanity has already made a fatal mistake. For the past 100 years, Earth has been broadcasting radio waves into space. From early radio transmissions to military radars, our signals have already reached thousands of nearby star systems. And we have done even more. In 1974, we sent the Arecibo message, a direct attempt to communicate with potential extraterrestrial life. The Voyager spacecraft carried golden records, messages from Earth drifting through space. The METI project has deliberately sent radio signals to known exoplanets. We are not just sitting in the forest, we are shouting into the darkness. But what if every other civilization understands something we don't? What if they are all staying silent because they know the danger? Think about it. How often do prey animals make loud noises in the wild? Predators rarely announce their presence. They stalk, they watch, they wait. If the dark forest theory is correct, then an advanced alien civilization might not just ignore a weaker species like ours. They might view us as a potential threat, one that should be eliminated before it grows stronger. History has already shown what happens when an advanced civilization encounters a weaker one. When the Spanish arrived in the Americas, they didn't come in peace. They came to conquer. When industrialized nations met isolated tribes, disease, war, and destruction followed. Would we really expect aliens to treat us differently? If an extraterrestrial civilization is thousands or even millions of years ahead of us, would they see humanity as equals or as insects? And if survival is the universal law, wouldn't the safest move be to eliminate us before we become a threat? Some scientists believe we have already been detected. In 1977, astronomers picked up the mysterious WOW signal, a powerful burst of radio waves from deep space. In recent years, fast radio bursts have been detected, short, intense pulses of energy from galaxies billions of light-years away. And then there was Oumuamua, a strange cigar-shaped object that passed through our solar system at incredible speeds. Unlike any known asteroid or comet, its trajectory was so unusual that some scientists believe it may have been artificial. Are these just cosmic coincidences? Or are they signs that something, or someone, has already noticed us? Not all scientists agree that we should be reaching out into the cosmos. The famous physicist Stephen Hawking warned, if aliens visit us, the outcome could be much like when Columbus landed in America, which didn't turn out well for the Native Americans. If an alien civilization is millions of years more advanced than us, would they see us as equals or as insects? If survival is the universal law, then the logical strategy is simple. Eliminate a potential threat before it becomes one. Yet, we continue to send signals. We continue to search. And maybe, just maybe, someone has already heard us. So what do you think? Are aliens out there staying hidden? watching from the darkness? Or is the universe truly empty and we are alone in the vast, silent void? Personally, I believe the truth is far more complex. Intelligent life may exist, but it might be so different from us that we don't recognize the signs. Or perhaps life in the universe follows a brutal rule. The first one to reveal itself loses. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries of the universe. Until next time, stay curious, but more importantly, stay quiet.